This is the Lawn to Wildflowers Guide to Converting a Patch of Turfgrass to Native Wildflowers by Smothering with Cardboard and Transplanting Potted Plants. The first step is to gather up some cardboard. Cardboard dumpsters behind businesses such as dollar stores are a good place to look. Try to get only uncolored cardboard. Select an area of your lawn you want to convert to wildflowers and mow it. Cut the grass very close to the ground. And then water the ground thoroughly. Put down cardboard to smother the grass. Overlap the pieces to prevent gaps and put down at least 3 layers. And then weigh down the cardboard with bricks, rocks, or mulch. Let sit for at least 2 months. Now after just a couple weeks, the grass here is struggling, but it's not dead yet. Give it some more time. Once your wait is over, it's time to get some native plants. If you're lucky, you can find a nursery like this one that focuses on native plants. When picking plant species, keep 3 things in mind. Make sure the species are native to your area. Get a variety of species that vary in shape, color, and flowering time. And pick species that are appropriate for your soil and sunlight conditions. After 2 or more months, remove the cardboard. The grass should be dead by this point. Then water the plot thoroughly. Arrange the potted plants about 1 foot apart from each other. Add water to the hole before transplanting your plant. Pack in the soil so there are no gaps. Air pockets cause plants to dry out. Once everything is planted, water them again. Keep your new plants well watered for a few weeks. And then sit back and watch your pollinator garden grow. We hope this guide was helpful. Please check out our website at lawntowildflowers.org, and you can download the free Lawn to Wildflowers app at the Apple App Store and on Google Play.